I have some exciting news for you. ZIK is currently developing its own AI agent, and honestly, I think it has potential to become one of the most powerful AI tools for e-commerce sellers. And I was lucky enough to get early access to the beta version to create this video for you. And let me tell you, what you're about to see feels like the next evolution for AI for product research and e-commerce. Soon, you won't need to rely on general AI chatbots or generic AI agents for e-commerce anymore. Very soon, you'll be able to use an AI agent built specifically for e-commerce sellers, one that is powered by a massive amount of marketplace and store data collected hourly by ZIK Analytics. Instead of asking for a general AI model that has limited access to real-world e-commerce performance data, you'll be able to work with an AI agent that understands product demand, competitor activity, profitability, market trends, and much more. So what are we going to do today? Well, I decided to give the AI agent a very simple yet strategic challenge. I asked it to suggest the best products to sell on eBay in 2026. Now, what's different here is that this AI isn't pulling information from random places on the internet. It's powered by the massive amount of e-commerce data collected by ZIK Analytics. That means the products it suggests are backed by real sales data, real demand, and real market opportunities. Okay, so this is currently the beta version of the ZIK AI agent. Now, you have to keep in mind that the interface you're seeing today is still under development. So, by the time it's officially released to the public, it will probably look more polished and user-friendly. But honestly, the interface isn't what excites me the most. What excites me the most is the possibility of completely changing how product research is done. Just imagine, instead of spending hours every day searching for 10 to 20 products to sell on eBay, what if you could simply ask an AI agent to find them for you? And not just any products. Products backed by the massive data ecosystem of ZIK Analytics. So here's the prompt I gave the AI agent. Suggest the top products to sell on eBay in 2026. The products need to be above $15 of a selling price and unbranded. Give me the exact reasons why I should sell each product, including the eBay listing, and provide a full analysis of the product, including its niche. Now, let's see what happens. I can see the AI agent processing the request. And after about a minute, it comes back with a complete analysis and product recommendations. So, are you ready to see the results? So, I see that the AI agent gave us 10 product results. Let's cover some of them. The first product the ZIK AI agent suggested is the Rack Mount DJ19 Rack Road Case. And honestly, from my experience when it comes to storage and organization products, there is usually very strong demand for products like these, especially if it's more nice and targeted into DJs. Now, according to the ZIK AI agent, this product generated 238 sales in the past 30 days and over $13,000 in revenue. But what I really like is that the AI agent doesn't just show sales numbers. It also explains why the product was selected. Here is the analysis the ZIK AI agent provided. ZIK read, high-ticket specialty utility product with meaningful revenue. Why it works. Defined buyer need and premium storage protection angle. Advantage for entering the market. Lower competition compared to generic consumer categories. Risk, bulkier shipping, and a narrow audience. Quarter view, mostly stable, 12-month outlook, plus 1% to 3%. And the AI agent classified this product as a high-ticket niche winner. Now, let's look at the actual eBay listing the agent found. And wow, this is definitely what I would call a winning product. The listing generated 1,894 sales overall, and 238 of those sales happened in just the past 30 days. Those are some very impressive numbers. Now, for dropshippers who are watching this video, I also checked the sourcing side using ZIK Analytics and found the exact Amazon source. Now, even the variation names match perfectly between Amazon and eBay. So essentially, the AI agent found a product that a dropshipper sourced directly from Amazon and successfully sold on eBay. And of course, I wanted to check the profitability. Let's take the U1 variation as an example. So the eBay selling price is $54.99. Amazon sourcing price, $39.99. After eBay fees, that leaves approximately $7.50 of profit per sale. Now, multiply that by 238 sales in the past 30 days, and you're looking at roughly $1,785 monthly profit from this single product. Honestly, that's a very solid find. The next product suggested by the ZIK AI agent is this 3 pairs women cat eye pointed tip reading glasses listing. Now, in general, reading glasses are definitely an evergreen product, especially when they're offered as variations with multiple lens strengths. And honestly, I think many sellers overlook products like these. A lot of people don't get excited about selling reading glasses, but that's actually where the opportunity can be. Now, these products are usually inexpensive to source, easy to ship, and can generate very consistent demand year-round. Now, according to the ZIK AI agent, this product generated 118 sales in the past 30 days and over $1,882 in revenue. Another thing I really like is that the AI agent also suggests a recommended selling price, which can be very useful when evaluating sourcing opportunities and profitability. After reviewing the eBay listing suggested by the AI agent, I can definitely see why this product is working. This isn't really a single product sale. It's a variation-based listing that allows buyers to choose different lens strengths, which helps attract a much larger audience. Now let's look at why the AI agent believes this product is worth selling. Why it works. Bundle format, broad audience, and easy styling angle. Advantage for entering the market. Simple offer that's easy for buyers to understand. Quarter view. Q3 stable, Q4 mild lift, Q1 stable, Q2 stable. 12-month overlook, plus 3% to more than 6%. And here's a very interesting insight from the AI agent. Reading glasses demand has durable long-term support because presbyopia is a natural age-related condition that typically begins after age 45, and over-the-counter reading glasses remain one of the most common solutions. Because of that, the ZIK AI agent classified this product as best practical consumer product. And honestly, I can see why. We're looking at a product with consistent demand, a very large customer base, and a need that doesn't disappear with trends or seasons. This is the type of product that can continue generating sales year after year, making it a very strong candidate for sellers looking to build a stable eBay business in 2026. Okay, so before we move on to the next product suggested by ZIK AI Agent, if you're enjoying this video so far, I'd really appreciate it if you could take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I'd love to hear your opinion as well. Write it in the comments below if you would like ZIK to create an AI community where sellers can share prompts, results, strategies, and ideas for using the ZIK AI agent to grow their e-commerce business. And if you want to find winning products using real sales data, competitor insights, and soon get access to the ZIK AI agent itself, you can check out ZIK Analytics today. Okay, so let's have a look at the next product suggested by ZIK AI Agent. Now, this is a leather watch band strap, and now these products are usually in consistent demand because they're a simple way for people to upgrade the look of their watch without buying a completely new one. Right away, I can see that this product generated 450 sales in the past 30 days and over $20,000 in revenue. That's huge. Another thing that immediately caught my attention is the selling price. It's significantly higher than most watch straps I've actually seen before. Here's the eBay listing and AI agent found. And after reviewing the listing, it's very clear that selling this product as a variation listing is actually essential because buyers can choose different sizes and colors, which helps maximize sales and reach a much larger audience. Now, let's take a look at why the AI agent selected this product. Now we have why it works. So premium replacement accessory, strong buyer intent, and healthy ticket size. Advantage for entering the market. Higher revenue potential than many lower ticket consumer products. Then we have risk. Fitment accuracy matters more than in simpler niches. Quarter view, Q3 stable, Q4 mild lift, and Q1 stable, and of course Q2 stable. 12-month overlook plus 2% to plus 5%. And honestly, I think this is a very smart product selection. This is a replacement accessory for a branded watch, not the watch itself. Similar to selling an iPhone case, you're selling an accessory that fits the product, not the branded product itself. Now, here's where things get really interesting. I wanted to see if I could source this product, and I found the exact same item on AliExpress. The variations match perfectly, and the sourcing cost is only $8.05 plus $3.56 for shipping, bringing the total cost to $11.61. Now, let's do the math. The eBay seller is selling this product for $44.95 after fees and sourcing costs. That's approximately $27 of profit per sale. And remember, this product generated 450 sales in the past 30 days. That means we're looking at approximately $12,150 of monthly profit for a single product listing. Honestly, that's an incredible result and easily one of the strongest products the AI agent has suggested so far. Okay, so now let's look at the next product suggested by the ZIK AI agent. Bonded nylon sewing thread. Now, this is a very simple product, and honestly, before even looking at the data, I can already see why this might be a good seller. When people need a specific thread color or type, it's often much easier to buy it online than to spend time searching local stores, especially when they're looking for a very specific color. Now, let's see why the AI agent selected this one as the top product to sell on eBay in 2026. So according to the AI agent, this product generated 348 sales in the past 30 days and over $5,565 in revenue. The AI agent also estimates the ideal selling range to be around $16.99 to $19.99, which is quite impressive for such a simple product. In the top line comparison charts, this product ranked second place in 30 days sales volume, fourth place in 30 days revenue. So clearly, we're looking at a product with strong demand. Now, let's look at the AI agent's analysis. So this is one of the strongest true movers in the final set. Why it works: exact need, product with clear search intent, advantage for entering the market. Buyers already know exactly what they need, which reduces the need for heavy marketing or creative selling. Then we have quarter view, stable across all quarters, 12-month overlook, plus 3% to plus 5%. And honestly, I really like this product. It feels like the ultimate traffic product, high demand, repeat purchases, and not something most sellers think about when looking for winning products. Now let's take a look at the eBay listing. Now this product has generated 5,227 lifetime sales with 348 sales in the past 30 days alone. That's a serious sales machine. And just like some of the previous products we've reviewed, the color variations are extremely important here. Now let's take a look at sourcing. I found a very similar product on Amazon. Now, the sourcing price is only $9.99. If you're selling this product for around $15.99, that leaves approximately $3.50 of profit per sale after eBay fees. And with 348 sales in the past 30 days, that's roughly $1,218 of monthly profit from a single product listing. Not bad at all for a product most sellers would probably overlook. So the next product we're going to review is this 53-inch large bird cage for parrots and finches. And honestly, this is one of those products that bird owners usually don't compromise on. Most people prefer buying a larger cage because they want their bird to have enough space and comfort. When I first looked at the data, something interesting stood out. The product only generated 2 sales in the past 30 days. And when I reviewed the eBay listing, I could see that it has 4 sales overall. Now, to me, that's a clear sign that this product is still in the early stages of its life cycle, making it an interesting opportunity. The demand continues to grow. It has the potential to become a winning high-ticket product within this niche. So now here's what the AI agent identified. This is a high-ticket product, and high-ticket products often don't need huge sales volume to generate strong profits. According to the AI agent, the recommended selling range for this product is $89.99 to $109.99. Now, let's look at why the ZIK AI agent selected it. Now, for ZIK, read secondary premium pet cage option with lower velocity than the top sellers. Why it works? Defined habitat use, purchase with strong ticket size, advantage for entering the market, clear value proportions for bird owners, risk, lower turnover, and bulkier shipping. Quarter view, stable across all quarters, 12-month overlook 1% to 3%. And the AI agent classified this product as a premium pet support. And honestly, I agree with the classification. The pet niche is huge, and many sellers underestimate how much pet owners are willing to spend on quality products. When people care about their pets, they're often willing to pay premium prices for products that improve their pet's comfort and quality of life. Okay, so that is the end of this video. And remember, all of these product ideas came from a single prompt backed by real eBay sales data. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about the idea of an AI agent built specifically for e-commerce sellers? Would you like me to make more videos testing this AI agent with different prompts and challenges? If yes, let me know in the comments below what you want to test next. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and if you want to find winning products using real data and soon get access to the ZIK AI agent itself, check out ZIK Analytics. And in the comments right down below, if you would like ZIK to create an AI community where sellers can share prompts, results, strategies, and ideas for using the ZIK AI agent to grow their e-commerce business, make sure you put it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.